Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave, this is Project C1, and before we get into this video I want to thank every one of you for subscribing to the channel. We've hit our goal, we are at 1,000 subscribers, 1,021 at the point of recording this video, so thank you all so much for all your help and all your support over the last year and a half-ish. So, long may it go on. That said though, today's video is going to be a big one. Bit of MOT stuff. So this video was recorded before I actually sent the car for the MOT. The MOT did fail, as per the last video, or one of the last videos anyway. But if I hadn't have done this first, it would definitely have failed before I even sent it. The front panel, as I've alluded to in some other previous videos, is rotten as a peach. It's fallen apart, it's not structural anymore, so it's got to go. So I enlisted Kayne's help on this one because I did myself a little injury. It's scarred quite nicely as I was cutting the front panel off. That was with an angle grinder. That's no bueno, so always use the guards, kids. So we've got to take the front panel off and we're going to weld a new one in. So without any further ado, let's get on with it. So as you can see now then, we've gotten to the point where we've taken all the crash bar off, that sort of thing. Radiator's not looking too great, but it's working for now. We've removed the filler tank, the filler tank, what am I talking about? The filler neck and the tank for the window washers. That was a bolt just there and a bolt just there. Who gave you permission to fall over? We've had the angle grinder out because the stand still, because the metal was that rusty. We could actually just bend that like while it was still attached. So we had the angle grinder out, cut the remaining parts. We've done the same to this side, and we're about to remove the lower panel of that bit, and then we'll get on with securing the radiator somewhere so it doesn't go anywhere, removing the bonnet clip, and then removing this top part of the frame so we can put the like just down there, as we'll put the replacement panel in. So as we can see here now then, we're missing a bit. That's not good. That's just come from the underside of the under tray at the lip. And the same as the crash bar, I'm missing a bit on that. That is good for the scrap bin. So the plan is now that we've got the new panel in front, we've had a check of all the holes and that sort of thing, they all match. What we're going to do now is clean up things like this bit with the angle grinder, and we're going to drill out those two. Well, let me get a pokey stick. We're going to drill out these welds, okay? And then the idea is we're going to drill the holes in that and plug weld it. Same on this side, and then that should do. We should be able to put the panel in. While we're doing that, by the way, we're going to see if we can save these bits, because these bits aren't rotten, so they're okay, and that'll butt up to that bit there. So that will go there where that little thin piece of metal is. So good. So let's get the tools out again, and we'll grind them back, drill those welds, and take that panel off. Right, that is free. Right, so as you can see then, the panel is out. The majority of it is there. We've gone back to solid metal. That's going to get well through primed in a minute. We've done the same on both sides. Radiator, I've managed to string that up actually, so that's yeah, that's a bit of a bodge, but hey, whatever. I'm probably going to put a new radiator in at some point, but not a today problem. Here's the new panel that's going in. Everything is the same. If anybody wanted any details from it, by the way, then now's your chance. And the reason why I didn't show you the removal of all the bits on this side is because I can neither confirm nor deny that I caused myself an injury doing it, and had to get one of the Royal Army Medical Corps' finest medics to patch me up. But hey, whatever. Yeah, so that panel's off. That panel's going on. Let's get on with that. Right, so the panel is in, it's clamped, it's ready to be welded. Looks pretty good actually. Before you do any welding, remember to disconnect your battery, otherwise you're going to blow everything up. That's no bueno. It's all clamped, it's all fitting. For this panel, it's not that bad because they've drilled us all the plug welds and things like that already, no problem at all. The only thing is there, those holes don't line up. So we're having to get a die grinder out. Now, as Kayne's just bringing the welder out now, which is a significant welder, we've got some gas for it. Speaking of which, get my adjustable out to sort that out, and let's get welding. Now the panel's welded back on, crash bar's on. I kind of like the whole black and red look when the bumper's on, so I'm just going to leave that black. I'm not going to paint it. I am going to take the crash bar off and things and take care of these corrosion bits, but it's just surface stuff, that's all. I mean, look, it's whatever. That's a job for future Dave. But yeah, that's on. Jobs are good. Let's get the bumper back on. So that's the front panel all changed then. It's now nice and solid up front. I don't think I'm going to paint it, to be honest. I kind of like the contrast between the red and the black, hence the whole red and black thing going on in this car. At some point I'm going to be doing this all black and all that, but that's another product review for later on. But you know what they do. You know what to do then. If you did like it, then smash that like button. Make sure you smash that like button, and that will help promote my channel in the YouTube algorithm and all that sort of good stuff. Any comments, if you think it was good or you think it was worth it, and if you think it was really good, you can subscribe and buy me a coffee if you wish. Links down below in the description. Or you can follow me on Instagram. I mean, free, might as well. Follow me on Instagram, which is down here somewhere. That would give you an idea of what I'm up to in the times between filming videos, sneak peeks of future videos coming up, all that sort of good stuff. Yeah, I really enjoyed this one, apart from the trip to A&E, but you know what I mean. Yeah, if you did like it, remember, smash the like button. I'll see you in the next video.